Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade. I'm coming at you with another card in my Dollar Tree sticker series cards. I hope you're not getting tired of these videos, but I'm having a blast. So let me show you what I use for the next card. So the next card, I use this Lawn Fawn die, and it's called Stitch Teacups. Super cute die set. And then I also used this Dollar Tree sticker. Now, I know you guys seen these stickers around with the little car. At first, I wanted to use the little car or little motorcycle or Vespa, whatever it is. And I really couldn't think of a way to showcase it on a card. And then I saw this one down here with the teacup. And I thought, hey, I have a Lawn Fawn teacup that I haven't used yet, recently purchased. So I thought I would use that, and I used this flower here and this flower here. So let's go to the card. So here she is, a cute little small card for a happy birthday, and I think it turned out adorable. Initially I was thinking, well, I want a cup with a design on it, but then I thought the flowers were really gonna be the design on this card. And I also used some paper from 49 Market, and this one is from the, let's see, Mystic Collection Vintage Artistry. So I love that paper, all of the papers in that collection. And then I had some bling for my stash. What do you think? This is super sweet, I think. Would be a really great birthday card. And I just love how the flowers, you know, just fit right down in there. The cup does have a hole at the top for you to put another die to show the liquid. But I just stuck the flowers in there and just glued it down with some extra glue from to make sure that it, you know, stuck really good, because the sticker doesn't have, you know, a lot of tack to it. So let me know what you think below. I think this card turned out really cute. And thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.